What's going on, everyone? I just wanted to give an update. I know I left everyone kind of hanging yesterday. The sad news is I did not pass this evaluation, so I have reset my accounts, and I just want to express why I was in the wrong on these last couple moves. So here's the trade that kind of killed me. Is I've been looking really on the 30-minute, and this is kind of what I saw. Okay, so I did take a trade, I think here on Friday, I don't know, last week right here. And I consider this a good one because we had this expanding triangle right here. And we had a good strong push up, good strong push down. So anytime you have big up, big down, that signifies trading range. So my goal here was to go for this one. This was the last good trade that I took. So risk to reward 2 to 1. You could have easily gotten that back to the top of this range. Now here's where things got dicey. Was the next trading day right here. So this is where things went bad, which was yesterday, I believe. So this is the trade that I took right here. It was right above this bull bar, closing on its high. So in my mind, through the night we had EMA support. We were coming up, but I kind of was ignoring the top of this range. I knew at least we had, up to here. So if you looked at this on the normal time frame, oh boy, what do I got going on here? So this is what I saw. This is regular trading hours. Let me get rid of all this nonsense. So we came down, we had a wedge, we had bull bars closing on their high, even here. I think I entered somewhere around here. In theory, probability would state, number one, we get a measured move. And I was basing that also on the daily chart. We should have been looking to test this breakout area. That was my context. The problem was this was a trap, and I should have been paying more attention, even on the 30-minute chart, to this bar right here. I should have got out and just took my loss, and then definitely after this bar. So the odds favored a measured move up. That didn't happen. The second thing was the odds favored if we have big up and big down, we have a trading range. That didn't happen. The other thing that favored was when you have big up, big down, as you can see, people bought above this bar right here. So bulls would have faded this. So it came back down. The most likely thing to happen is, oh, we're just in a range. We had down, big up, big down. We should have gone into a range. That was the third thing or second thing that did not happen. That was unlikely to happen. The third thing was that this day would become a bear trend day. And as you can see, it's super sloppy, but it became a bear trend day. So it was just a lot of unlikelies that happened, and I doubled down on them, which I should not. So I faded this right here, closed my position at the market close, which was 1500 right here, and then after hours I went back in right here, because I was playing it like this. 1, pull back 2, pull back 3. Thinking, okay, we got a good rejection bar. Now a bull bar closing on its high. We're at least maybe going to come up and relieve these people that bought in. So what happened was I had my stop below this, and this is kind of just, there's no excuse, and I'm not blaming the market or whatever. I had my stop 1 tick below here. And as you can see, it ticked exactly, almost exactly where my stop was, came back up. And it almost would have relieved me, but not quite. And then here was today. So here's the problem, and this is, again, this is a channel for learning, is you got to zoom out. What do I mean by that? There's a much bigger context going on here that I did not realize. So we had a trading range right here. We had a breakout of that trading range, a retest, and then a follow through. So now that becomes a spike and channel. So what does our channel look like? We are in a bear channel. So looking to go long, which is what I did, was not a good idea. You could have gone long right here, and it would have been reasonable. You have 3 bars with the last one closing on its high to at least get out right here. But as you can see, the bulls have barely been able to break it. So when you have a channel and it breaks, expect a new low before there's a reversal. So what's happening right now? That's exactly what's happening. So here's today, and this is where I was just down so much, I'm like, it's not worth it. I'm just going to reset my account, take the lessons that I've learned. Look at this. On the 5-minute, does it look like the EMA is holding support? No, not at all. This is just one giant trading range. But if you zoom out, is the EMA holding support? Yeah, we're in a bear trend right now. So what should I be looking to do? I should only be looking to sell. You should always be looking to go with the trend. So this right here, not so much. No bear bars closing on their low. You could have risked it right here. But definitely, right here you maybe could have. But look at these trades right here. You have this triangle. Now you have a bear breakout. Look at that follow through. And that's what got everybody. That was that day. So it's unfortunate, but you know what? We're just here to learn right now. And I will be resetting my daily challenge. So tomorrow will be day 1. And still on the daily, this was the other frustrating thing, is we are right at a resistance line on the daily. So we should have a retest at the break. We're at a resistance line on the daily. In theory, we should be coming up to retest this, and we very well might. But none of these are good buy bars. The bulls just are not performing. Even though we have bars stacked up, we're still making lower lows and lower highs. Lower low, lower high, lower low, maybe down here today. So anyway, just wanted to give you guys an update. I'm being completely transparent. This is not a teaching channel. This is just a documentary channel on how I'm learning things. So if you guys have anything to input on what I've seen or what has happened, please give me input. I'm always here. I'm here to learn. I'm not here to pass evaluations yet. If I'm learning and my trades are good, then I'll pass evaluation. But I'm not there yet. So just got to keep on keeping on. So let me know what you guys think.